Imagine you just moved to a new city.
New streets, new people, no friends yet.
Exactly, that lonely but excited feeling.
Yes, you want to meet people, but you don't know where to start.
So today, we're talking about how to make friends in a new city using simple, natural English,
Making friends starts with small actions.
not big ones.
You don't need to walk up to someone and say, let's be friends.
Please don't.
Start with casual conversations.
Like at a cafe,
Or at the gym.
or even waiting for the bus.
So what do you say?
Keep it simple.
For example,
Hey, is this seat taken?
that's easy. Or, have you been coming here long?
Nice, not too personal.
Exactly. Friendly but not intense.
Once they answer, what next?
Ask follow-up questions.
Like,
Oh, really? How do you like it?
that shows interest.
And listening is very important.
Yes, good conversations are balanced.
Sometimes learners don't know how much to share.
Right, you don't need your life story.
Just simple things like, I just moved here for work.
Or, I'm still exploring the city.
That gives the other person something to respond to.
So, when do you invite someone to hang out?
After a few good conversations.
What's a natural way to say it?
Hey, I'm grabbing coffee this weekend. Want to join?
That sounds relaxed.
Yes, it's casual, not serious.
And if they say no?
No problem. Stay friendly.
What if you feel shy?
That's normal.
You can even say, I'm still getting used to meeting new people.
That sounds honest.
And honesty builds connection.
It's easier to make friends where there's a shared interest.
Like a language class.
Or a sports club.
Or a local event.
Shared activities create natural conversations.
Making friends isn't about perfect English.
It's about being open.
And kind.
Small conversations grow into bigger ones.
One greeting at a time.
Making friends takes time,
Sometimes weeks.
sometimes months.
But every conversation builds your confidence.
And your English.
Sometimes you try to talk, but the other person doesn't say much.
Yes, that can feel awkward.
You ask a question and they give a very short answer.
Like, yeah, or not really.
Then you're standing there thinking, what now?
In that case, don't panic.
You can try one more question.
Something open-ended, like, so what do you usually do on weekends?
Open questions help people talk more.
But if they still don't respond much,
It's okay to let the conversation end.
not every conversation becomes a friendship.
And that's completely normal.
Hobbies are one of the best topics.
Yes, because hobbies show personality.
You can say, I've been trying to find a good place to run.
Or I'm really into photography.
If they say they like something similar,
That's your connection point.
you can say, oh, that's cool. How long have you been doing that?
People love talking about things they enjoy.
And when someone talks about what they love,
The conversation becomes more natural.
let's talk about something important.
Rejection?
Yes.
It happens.
Maybe you invite someone for coffee.
And they say they're busy.
You might feel embarrassed.
But don't take it personally.
You can simply say, no worries, maybe another time.
That shows maturity.
Confidence isn't about always being accepted
It's about staying relaxed when things don't work out.
and continuing to meet new people.
There's also a difference between acquaintances and real friends.
Yes, acquaintances are people you know casually.
Friends are people you connect with more deeply.
How does that change happen?
Through consistency.
Seeing each other regularly.
Sharing small personal stories.
Not too deep at first.
Just little things like, today was kind of stressful.
Or, I'm excited about this new project.
Trust builds slowly.
And friendship grows from repeated small moments, not from one perfect conversation.
Exactly. If you've moved to a new city,
Don't wait for people to come to you.
start small.
Say hello.
Ask simple questions.
And be yourself.
If you enjoy these real-life chatting conversations,
Subscribe to Learn English with Ease.
We'll help you speak naturally and confidently.
See you in the next episode.